just left my old phone drawers up. I got a battery pack, but that's took all night and it's still not full of drawers, so there's something wrong with my charger, I think. And then my old phone, I did have a good decent cable, it was charging up quick. And I could feel like it plugged in, it was still charging up quick. But somehow it's just not working, so I use another USB cable. It says charging it up when it's off, but if I'm using it, it's no longer charging it up quick whilst I'm still washing it. I thought to check on horse as well, so here. Got some funny fluff coming off it. Hey. You got a bit, ain't you? Not like you know, you get filthy like when it gets my sleeve. What's it? It's alright. So yeah, it's just, I haven't spoke to nobody this morning, I just at my dad. And partly my brother this morning, but only a bit. So, what's it? Yeah, I've got a couple of layers on, but except the trousers, I've got one pair of trousers on. So since I checked on horses and some of that, it's got still walking on their own 2 feet. Anyway, boys, I love you both. I'm going on that corn today for you. That's from later. Yeah, there's some corn and it's like I might just use it all. Then it's not running going out of date and it don't get rotten. Right guys, see you later.